You joined us back here.
Dad, I tell you, I'm fucking down here.
I just turned the camera around. It's getting a bit emotional here. So about half an hour ago, I discovered when I was collecting some aquatic plants for our crayfish tank, that the tank is now being.
To you.
Oh, you shoot me! We've got a python in here. So Toon's got her ingenious snake catching device. Mum was going to do the camera in, but it's a bit close really. And I'm rice bag man.
Oh, bloody hell.
So Spoon's helping. Nice one, Spoon. Can't even see it, can you? Useless. And we've got some live bait. Bebo. There you go. Right then. I'm ready, missus.
I'll try. Not easy, you know.
He hasn't got any space under.
He'll go back down in a minute now, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going now.
Right, do you think we should lift him up with the other pole?
Can do.
Oh, yep.
Can I help with the pole? What are you doing?
Lifting the snake up so Toon can get the lasso around it.
Or do you want to be using one of these?
Yeah. Mum's very experienced in snake handling.
Where are you, you little bugger?
There. Here.
This is what you sign up for, farm stay here on Porpeang farm.
Where's his head?
Yeah, I nearly get the head, but
Oh, you nearly had it. This might take a while. Down there, Mum. Oh, nearly. Oh! Oh! Oh!
let me help you out.
Do you want to have a go with the camera, Mum?
You're telling me I'm useless?
I was just stood in red ants.
His belly goes right on the floor. You can't get. There he is. This is his head.
Oh, nearly. You got it. Right, ice bag. Make sure you get this on shot, Mum. That's it, that's it.
That's it. Well done, well done.
High fives. Oh, the bag's got a hole.
You rotter.
You don't do this, Leigh. Where are we gonna put them?
Right, well, a few years ago we would have smacked the living daylights out of this, but we're not going to. We're going to relocate it. So we're off to the river. Just hold the bag, love, will you?
No way.
Okay, I'll hold that.
Don't.
All right then, we're going to leave Mum on security for the farm with the weapon, aka B-boat, and Spoon. Great help, Spoon.
I need you sure you hold tight. It can get.
Get the string and tie.
It's all right. It's
Yeah,
fine.
I
It's fine.
took the tie, but I
Not
scared
too
it
tight.
away.
Kill it. Yeah. Right. Let's go.
Okay. Ma.
She can run. She can run after us. It's all right, Mum. She can come with us. She can run after us if she wants.
Don't near me. Don't near me.
Come in. That's it. Whoa. Whoa! fucking idiot.
มา
Bebo.
โอเค
A python and a chihuahua.
เหนื่อยแล้วอ่ะ
Okay, we're here. We made it, Bebo.
You want me to hold video or camera?
That's all right then.
You first.
Okay. What a farmer my wife is, eh? Scared of snakes, but still manages to create a snake catching device and use it. All part and parcel of living on a farm in rural Thailand. Okay, so we're approaching the river that we previously let a monitor lizard go, and we just need to try and find a bit of a clearing. Could be easier said than done. Where you want it?
On the phone you. Clear now.
Bebo, I'll go down there. She's always falling over, this dog, so it's probably not a good. I think down there, isn't it?
I'm not go down there, love.
I know you're not go down there, but what do you think if we put the bag down here? You hold the string first, and then I'll pull the.
You think they're still tied on the neck? I
Yeah.
don't think so.
We'll pull it tight. Well, Bebo's gonna distract it. Bebo,
Bebo, ma.
Bebo. Right. Okay.
Honey, I'm scared.
We'll worry about the bag afterwards.
Honey.
Hang on. All right, you get Bebo then.
I can run anytime.
And
Honey.
and camera.
Okay. Oh, you brave. Oh, there's still tang on there.
Make sure you got a good shot.
I do. Oh my god.
Oh wow. That. Hang on. That is.
Oh my god. Ah, don't, not near me. Honey, honey.
And then go down that end. And shot coming this way.
I don't know why you make me. Why
So
you
you can
make
get me
me
in the
do
shot
this?
as well.
Huh?
So you can get my face in the shot as well.
Yeah.
Right then. Okay, we'll loosen the thingy. He's off. He's off. Straight in the hole. Oh, look, there it goes. Wow.
ทางใครทางมันนะ
Good luck, mate. Don't come back.
Please don't.
Wow. That is actually beautiful and scary at the same time, isn't it? And away.
Keep going, keep going. Never you turn.
Oh, I'm on an ant's nest, lovely. Well, we don't know if it's a reticulated python or Burmese python. I'm not actually sure if it's a python, but from the 3 previous ones that we had in the fence pond, 2 were Burmese and 1 was reticulated python. Obviously a lot bigger than that.
This
I'm
is
betting
baby.
Burmese python, but I'll have a look online before I post this, and it's coming up now, which one it is.
Still there. Look. Go in the wood now. Still keep going.
So from me, Toon and Bebo, it's goodbye for now. Any last words, Bebo? You so nearly a live bait. Say goodbye, Toon.
Bye, snake.
Bye, snake. Excellent.
I say bye, snake.
You love snakes, don't you?
I hate so much. Nang. Nang long.
Right, back to the farm. I'm up. Oh, Bebo. Nah. Bebo.
Ma,
Oh, meerkat. Come on, you. It's probably her fault that the snake's hanging around the house, isn't it? Oh, I'll get her, shall I? Alright, cool.
Kiss my. like to kill poison. Oh, I know.
Spiritual snake.
I hope this works.
Ingenious.
Don't
Pull
pull
it.
too big.
Hang on. Put it tight. That's it then.
I hope so. Done!